Move over Toyota Alphard and Denza D9. There's a brand new luxury boss in town. This is the all-new 2026 Leapmotor D99, revealed as the absolute pinnacle flagship of Leapmotor's premium new D-Series line. This massive 5.2-meter-long MPV is built in partnership with automotive giant Stellantis to dominate global family luxury. Welcome back to DRX AUTOM MOBI. Today, we are diving deep into the tech, the insane seating configurations, and the world-first high-voltage architecture of China's newest rolling sanctuary. Leapmotor is fundamentally rewriting the playbook with a dual-powertrain strategy. The pure EV variant utilizes a mind-boggling, industry-first 1,000-volt electrical architecture paired with a massive 115 kilowatt cattle-free Voy battery, serving up an estimated 720 kilometers of CLTC range with ultra-fast charging speeds. If you want pure long-distance freedom, there is a range extender EREV model built on an 800 volts platform. It bundles an 80.3 kilowatt battery pack with a 1.5-liter turbogas generator to provide 500 kilometers of pure electric driving before the engine even kicks in. But the real magic happens behind the front row in what Leapmotor calls the smart magic space. Unlike ordinary vans, the D99's second row captain chairs can electronically rotate 90 degrees out for a relaxing fishing view or a full 180 degrees to turn the cabin into a mobile boardroom. Need to take a rest? All three rows can seamlessly fold entirely flat into a massive 2.5-meter bedroom on wheels. To ensure it rides like a true luxury jet, it comes standard with continuous variable damping and dual-chamber air suspension to float right over rough roads. On the intelligence front, the D99 is a literal supercomputer. It MPVs by thousands of dollars while offering double the technology. It is an incredible statement piece that proves family haulers don't have to be boring. Would you choose this over an expensive premium SUV? Drop your thoughts below. Hit that like button, subscribe to DRX AUTOM MOBI, and we will see you in the next review.